Alright, so this morning we have a 2001 Toyota Tacoma that's got some pretty neglected paint. This is actually an older couple. I think he's about 90 years old, but I don't think this thing's been washed in about a decade. So we're going to try to fix it up for him and see if we can get it looking a little bit better. It's definitely got a lot of mold. It's kept outside a lot, so we're going to try to see if we can fix that, but that also explains part of the oxidation. You can see a lot of stuff on the roof coming down over the side here. So we're going to use this boat and RV wash here. This is what I use normally when I'm going to do a strip wash, because this is, you don't want to use it on anything you have any wax or coatings or anything like that. So we're starting fresh, so we're going to see what happens. Okay, so we got it all washed down, and we got a lot of the growth and stuff off. But the problem is that this clear coat, whatever was growing on here, it's pretty much toasted to clear coat. So there's really no good way to. We could try to polish it and get down to a new layer, but even the paint coming off of here. So I think the best way to do this is to I think the best way to do this is basically just to go ahead and add some ceramic on it and leave it. It's white, so it's going to hide a lot of the stuff better anyway, and I don't really think they care. So this is more of a protect the longevity of the paint, not necessarily make it look sparkly new, unfortunately. So, but we're going to do that. We're going to clay bar the windows and add some ceramic to the glass. That way we can make sure that they're keeping that rain off if they ever need to drive in the rain. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're going to clay bar the glass. So I'm just going to use some detail spray and some glass cleaning clay. All right, so now we've got the glass ceramic coated, and I've got some old Adams Polishes ceramic coating, which is just the spray ceramic, not the little 3-ounce bottle. So I need to get rid of it because it's old anyway, and with the paint being in the condition it is, we're just going to go ahead and apply it straight over, kind of like a wax. So we're going to go ahead and see that, buffing it on there. There's the stuff. It's the old stuff. It's not even the advanced. And this stuff is already kind of starting to gel up. So we're just going to get it on there and add something to protect for now. Okay, so this is really kind of just a semi-rescue operation at this point, but I don't know if you can see where the stuff we've applied versus the stuff we haven't yet. Maybe I can get a little bit. Anyway, so we're just slapping this stuff on thick. It doesn't matter, the paint's destroyed. So really, if we wanted to do this right, we would need to get it repainted, possibly do a paint correction, but since they don't really care about this truck, this is what we got. So anyway, if you can see that difference there, hopefully in the editing I can see this. But yeah, let's see. All right, I think that's about all we're gonna be able to do for this. It's just that paint's so destroyed. We were just prolonging the time until repaint. So, but we got everything cleaned up. Again, the ceramic on the glass, I think that's gonna be great. This, you can kind of tell it's got a little bit of shine back to it. It's all right. It's nothing great. Definitely kind of splotched up in some of the areas, so like it flashed too quickly, because obviously you're supposed to be doing this in the shade, not the sun, but given the circumstances and how quick we needed to turn this around, I think you can kind of see, got a little bit of shine back. So there we go. And again, that roof, you can kind of see what it looks like now. We've got some ceramic, so should make it last at least a few more years before we got to repaint it. Pretty much all of it. And fix the door handle, put some tire shine, filled the tires up with air. I think, based on what it used to be versus what it is now, that's pretty substantial improvements.